If you're looking for the best motorcycle wheel chocks to keep your bike stable during transport, storage, or maintenance, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll cover the top 5 best motorcycle wheel chocks that offer durability, safety, and convenience. All of the product links are listed in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Vever Motorcycle Wheel Chock. The Vever Motorcycle Wheel Chock is a reliable option for riders who want stability and ease of use. Its universal design makes it suitable for garages, trailers, or even house storage. It comes with 3 types of front tire support attachments, perfect for cruisers, sports bikes, and dirt bikes. This means it's compatible with almost every motorcycle brand, from Harley and Honda to Ducati, Yamaha, and BMW. It can hold both front and rear tires, ranging from 13 to 26 inches. And its locking mechanism makes it possible for just one person to load and unload a bike securely. A solid all-rounder for versatile storage and transport. Number 2. Max Hall 70271. Adjustable motorcycle wheel chock. Next up, the Max Hall 70271 adjustable wheel chock, built for heavy-duty performance. With a weight capacity of down 800 pounds, it can handle everything from sport bikes to big touring motorcycles. It fits wheels between 3 and 5 inches wide and features a self-locking design using the bike's own weight to keep it upright. Made from rugged steel and coated with a black powder finish, it's resistant to rust and corrosion. Plus, integrated anchor points make it even more stable, perfect for safe storage or transport. Number 3. Extreme Max 5001.5010 Motorcycle Wheel Chock. For riders looking for a straightforward and tough design, the Extreme Max 5001.5010 is a great choice. Its solid front crossbar and boot provide excellent stability, while multiple cradle adjustments allow a perfect fit for wheels between 17 and 21 inches. Built from heavy-duty steel with a black semi-gloss powder coat, it's durable and looks sharp too. Best of all, it's easy to assemble, making it a no-fuss option for bike owners. Number 4. Grand Pit Stop Universal Wheel Chock. The Grand Pit Stop Universal Wheel Chock is another top-tier option designed for both trailers and garages. It comes with 3 different tire support attachments, making it adaptable to cruisers, sport bikes, and dirt bikes. Just like the Vever model, it fits tires from 13 to 26 inches and works for both front and rear wheels. This chock is known for its versatility and compatibility with a wide range of motorcycles, including KTM, Royal Enfield, Triumph, Suzuki, Kawasaki, and many more. With just 2 straps, your bike stays upright and secure, making loading and unloading a breeze. Number 5. Lock and Load Deluxe Motorcycle Chock Combo Kit. Finally, the Lock and Load Deluxe Combo Kit offers an all-in-one transport solution. It includes the BK100 Deluxe Wheel Chock, BK200 Auto Ratchet tie-downs, a mounting plate, and a front tire tie-down system. This setup guarantees front and rear stability, making it one of the safest ways to secure your bike during transport. If you want peace of mind while hauling your motorcycle, this combo kit is worth every penny. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best motorcycle wheel chocks. Whether you need one for garage storage, trailer transport, or everyday maintenance, these options have you covered. All the product links are in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and ride safe.